Okay, let's do this development log video. I will talk about the UVs, and I made a lot of change and progress on the development. So first things, you will go to the preferences and you will see that now you have some options to automatically hide unwrapped polygons, islands, automatically fix the flipped UVs, or you can also automatically repack the UVs into their areas, and you can also automatically relax the UVs that you've unwrapped with the SPU function. So I've just disabled all those, and we will start with a clean scene with no UVs at all. So first things, I will press Ctrl Q over, Shift Q over the UV view, and I will set the UV view to the grid with color shame. So here we have the basic areas set up that refer to this one. So we have the planar free here, over there. Then we have the planar on the Z, Y, and X. You have the same things for the cylindrical, so free Z, Y, and X. You have the same stuff also on the unwrap, so unwrap conformal here, unwrap angle based, unwrap rectangle. Then you will get the unwrap rectangle vertical and the horizontal here. So let's do this. Now that I'm here, what I will do is select the object, then switch to the polygon mode, and I will select, for instance, one polygon here, and I will start processing the UVs. So I will just have to press Q on the 3D viewport, and I will go to the Smart Planar and select the select similar in object here, and I will select the Z axis. So as you can see here, we have a standard projection that is happening on the Z axis. You see the center over here, and I will hide the grid, the ground plane, so it's much better this way. You understand the way the axes are set, and as you can see, there's no repack actually here. So what I will do, again, looking at the preference, you can automatically repack those areas. So it can be useful, it's up to you. You have the solution to enable or disable this. So as I've made the repack, the unwrap, also it didn't hide the elements unwrapped. So now I will check just the repack to show you the effect of this. So same thing, I select one polygon, press Q, go to Smart Projection Planar, and we'll do this on the object on the Z axis. And now we have packed elements over here. So it just automatically repacked the elements over there. So I will go to the system, goes to the preference again, they are already there, and I will hide automatically the polygons unwrapped. So I will do this, and here we will go to the other side. So I will select again the polygons, press Q, do the same kind of stuff. So we will process on every faces that are sharing the same normal on the Z axis. So now it hides automatically the elements. As I told you, I've enabled this feature. So if I unhide elements, you see that those faces have been unwrapped with the planar projection, so they are straight. Okay, so I've unwrapped also this side of the PCs, the mechanical PCs, and you see that those faces are flipped. They are in yellow because the UVs are flipped, and it's easy to see it. I will just select this, hide the rest, and you see that the text is in the wrong direction, right? The B is flipped, everything. So I will just take care of this with the preferences. So you can automatically fix the flipped UVs when you've unwrapped those with a planar projection, for instance, or a cylindrical projection. An unwrap, a basic unwrap, don't mess the orientation. So I check this. So now I'm ready to go. I will do this again. So select this side, the polygon on this side, and I will press Q, go back to the Smart Projection Planar, similar on Object, and on the Z. So now I've made it again, but now everything is correct and there is no flipped UVs. So this is much better. So this is for the planar projection. You can do this also with some selection over here. I will just do this on similar touching, just to show you. So I press the Q key, I go to the planar projection, I will do the selection similar touching, and I will do this on the free mode. So this is not using any axes from the object, but it used the group normal selection. So I will do this, and now I've unwrapped this one, but you see it's slightly rotated because, well, it's a free mode, it's not constrained by anything. So anyway, I can stay there, make a selection of these edges. I will show you here where it is. So this one is on the x-axis. I will do this here, selecting this edge, and I will just fix the orientation. So I will press my Shift Q here, and I will go Smart Orient vertically or horizontally. So this way I will do this vertically. Why I say that's a Smart Orient? Because if you are in Edge mode, it rotates in Edge mode, right? You have a selection in Edge and it will rotate it relative to your selection, right? But if you want to do this in polygon mode, you can go back. So I will go back here. Here we have the selection. Of course, this one is just a round circle, so it will not be visible at all. I will do this over here, and we'll press Ctrl Q, and I will set this horizontally. So it constrains it horizontally to take the less space on the UVs, but you see that it automatically switch between the edge mode and the polygon mode if needed, because that's two different commands in Modo. So I will check this one and press the Shift Q and make this vertically. So now we have this correctly positioned, and we are done with this one. So this is one part of the work